In this video, we'll be taking you on a tour of the Hyatt Regency Orange County. Located just minutes from Disneyland, it's a great choice for families visiting the Magic Kingdom. This modern hotel features 2 pools, a recreation deck featuring games for the entire family, 2 restaurants on site, and a 24-hour gym. The first thing we noticed was this beautifully decorated atrium lobby as we checked in. Let's take a look at our standard king room. We are at the Hyatt Regency Orange County, and we have a king room. So when you first walk in, here is a small closet. And a big mirror. And it's just your basic king room with a king size bed. Like a 60-inch TV with some additional storage in these drawers. And as globalists, we just got these water bottles. There's coffee and tea, and also a small fridge. A little office desk. And a sofa. It's not a sleeper sofa. There's no mattress underneath it. But I mean, I guess if you have a third person, they can sleep there. And we have a view of the fountain in front of the hotel and the other hotels in this area. So here is the room right here. And let's just check out the bathroom, which is near the entrance. And it's just your normal bathroom, nothing special. The stand-up shower. The hotel features 2 restaurants by the lobby, OC Brewhouse and Tuska. We stopped by Tuska for breakfast. Guests have the option for a breakfast buffet for $28 or order a la carte. The buffet had a decent selection, but we opted for the a la carte option. We ordered the egg white frittata, avocado toast, huevos rancheros, and lemon ricotta pancakes. Wow, that was a lot of food just for the 2 of us. Breakfast was delicious, so make sure to try it out during your stay. One of the hotel's main highlights is the sports deck located on the 3rd floor of the South Tower. It's a great place to be active and enjoy playing basketball, tennis, and other various games families will enjoy. The deck also has a small kid-friendly pool, while the North Tower has a more relaxing, quiet pool area. Get ready to make some s'mores in the evening at the fire pit at the recreation deck. S'mores kits can be purchased at Citrus Grove Deli by the lobby. Game Zone on the 1st floor has plenty of arcade games to keep kids entertained. It's open from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. The 24-hour Stay Fit Fitness Center features state-of-the-art strength and conditioning equipment, as well as free weights. The hotel has a Disneyland Shuttle bus which departs every 30 minutes and costs $6 per person per day. It provides an easy way for families to get to the Magic Kingdom without the hassle of looking for parking. We stopped by Black Tap Craft Burgers and Shakes at Downtown Disney for a late lunch. With a beautiful recreation deck and easy access to Disneyland, Hyatt Regency Orange County is an ideal place to stay for families visiting the Magic Kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.